Happy birthday, paring Paulo. 40 na tayo. 40 is the new 20. Sabi nga nila. Sensya na, medyo paos. Ingat lang palagi kayo dyan sa family mo. And God bless. See you soon, pre. Happy birthday. Paring Paulo now, happy birthday. Wala talaga akong message sa'yo.
Hi Paolo, happy 40th birthday. Hope you have a fun day with your family and friends. And I hope you enjoy your special day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pao. Alam niyo sa batch namin, pag sinabing Paolo ng kilala yan na matalino, masipag, mabait, responsable, and of course, board top notcher sa batch namin. Pao, I would like to thank you for the friendship and looking forward to do more meetings with you, with your family. I wish na matupad lahat ng dreams mo and take care always and God bless. Happy birthday, Pao.
Paring Pao, happy birthday, happy 40th birthday. Miss ko na yung 2 battles natin. And sana in future maulit-ulit, hindi lang 2 battles, more than 2 battles. Masaya ako't nakilala kita since nag-join ka sa Shell. Unang tingin ko pa lang makakasundo kita. At parang tinuring kitang tunay na kapatid, mas nakababatang kapatid, at naging kumpare pa kita. Happy birthday, enjoy your day, have good health, and always stay safe, and sana karoon ka pa ng maraming blessings. Shots for you. Happy birthday. Cheers, pare. I'm happy for you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Yun. So, happy birthday! 40th birthday, paring Paulo. Congratulations! Another milestone. So, si Paulo, one of my closest friends. Same batch lang kami niya ni paring Pao. Pero hindi kami kasi sa school nagkakilala. So, na-meet ko siya sa work back in 2007 sa Petron. And then yun, doon nagsimula yung aming friendship. Of course, more interactions din. Then, tapos nung 2012, yan, I decided to leave Petron. Moved sa another company sa Bataan, sa Gen Power. So, medyo nabawasan yung interaction. Pero yun, since andun naman yung set of friends pa rin sa Petron, may time na nakita-kita pa rin minsan. And then, naalala ko, sometime in 2014, yan, kinontak ako ni pare, sabi niya, "Uy, try mo tong apply sa Michelle." So, during that time, nag-apply na rin pala siya. And eventually, sabay kami natanggap. Yun, lipat kami sa Michelle, Batangas. Kabilang bakod naman. And then, in 2019 naman, ako naman yung nag-decide mag-leave ng company. To be an OFW, yung dito sa Oman. Itong time naman na to, ako naman yung nagsabi sa kanya, so ito, pre, try mo. Baka maging interesado ka. At yun nga, so after a few months yun, join din siya dito sa Oman. So, yun, so marami kaming mga pinagsamahan din sa different companies that we work with. And I know really Paolo, tahimik na tao lang yan, mabait, hard worker, mahusay sa trabaho. So, very supportive sa YP niya, sa kids, and family. So, yun, wala talaga akong masabi. Lahat na ng good qualities. Kaya magka-tropa kami yan. So, and I'm sure marami pang magagandang qualities na nagustuhan si Maring Abby sa'yo, kaya ikaw ang napili niya. So Mare, hindi ka nagkamali. Ano pa ba? So yun. On behalf of my family here in Soaroman, happy 40th birthday again. So cheers to more years. And yun, sabi nga nila, life begins at 40. Ito na yung time na nag-i-increase na yung mga usapan natin about medicines, health topics. So, yun. Sana naman huwag eventually pa palala, no? So, yun. Let's just enjoy. And God bless you more and your family. So, ayun. Set na lang tayo sometime sa winter. Cheers!
Happy 40th birthday, paring Paolo. Wishing you good health para maalagaan mo pang family mo. Wishing you more blessings as fruits of your labor at sa lahat ng sacrifices mo. Wishing you more opportunities para mas ma-enjoy ang buhay. As life begins at 40, ikaw nga nila, yung wisdom at experiences ang sana ay magdala pa ng maraming biyaya sa iyo at sa iyong pamilya. Happy birthday ulit at enjoy your day.
Hello Kuya Pao, happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan parate at sana makauwi na kayo ulit dito at magkita-kita tayo. Yun lang. Salamat, enjoy.
Happy birthday, Pao. God bless. Ingat ka dyan, parate. Okay?
Ay, Pao, happy birthday. Sana kung saan ka man naroon, ay okay ka.
Hello, Aya. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday sa'yo. I hope mag-enjoy ka sa araw mo. Kasamang family, si Abby at mga kids. I wish that mas maging successful ka pa sa mga plans mo, and always remember na nandito kaming family mo to support you, and let's enjoy and celebrate once na makabalik kayo ng Pilipinas. Happy birthday. I love you, Tol.
Happy birthday, Aya. 40 years old ka na. Mukha kang 39. Well, so you deserve all the happiness and blessings because mabait kang tao. So enjoy the day and enjoy the rest of the year. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Aya. Happy birthday, Aya. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aya. God bless you more, Aya. Happy birthday, Aya.
Happy birthday, Ninong Paolo! Oh my God, ang gusto mo!
Pards, happy 40th birthday. Inuman na. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Papa! We love you. You are the best father and you are very hardworking. Papa, this is my card to you. I will read it. Happy birthday, Papa. You're the best dad in the whole universe. We all love you.
Kiss to Papa.
Happy birthday!